The rest do not. The police is not aware. Okay, but they are able to be uh, used by these organizations because they work for them. Uh, the military and the police are corporations. They are corporations. All right. So let's go to that's the next level, which is corporations. So corporations, whether you see them as business corporations, banking corporations, medical corporations, um, what else? Financial institutions that are corporations. All of the institutions that you know and interact with are all part of this hierarchy. However, the direct control, okay, comes from each government, okay, and is policed and maintained by the justice system. Okay, so so human beings human beings are actually free. The reason why we lose our freedom is because we sign up for these corporations. Okay, governments, okay, kingdoms, governments, and corporations. When we sign and agree and consent to these levels of organizations, that's when we lose our freedom because we put ourselves in the understanding. Okay, when you say understanding or understand, we put ourselves below them under their control. Okay, so most of us from birth are signed into these corporations. Okay, so that's how we lose our freedom. Okay, so these governments and corporations only give us liberties and then the illusion of choice. Okay, so some examples are voting, some examples are product marketing, some examples are medical options. Okay, so they are all, okay, basically since birth we are under the control of modern slavery. Okay. Okay, so I hope you're still with me. I hope you're still getting what I'm saying. Okay, so that's the hierarchy. Now, all right. So that's the hierarchy. As long as you sign up for you, let's say you have a job. Okay, you have a job. You think you have financial freedom. Actually, no. You are you signed yourself up to be under the control of this societal hierarchy. Okay, you become a slave and you are owned by the owners of the earth. Okay, that's the harsh truth. Okay, okay, that's what this portal has revealed. Okay, the it is time that human beings know the reality of our situation. Now, I have asked, okay, I have asked our ancestors and our uh, guides and the divine regarding as like I asked them where are where are the owners? Why don't we see them? So they told me they live beyond the world map. Okay, the ones that are on the other side. Okay, so there are other lands beyond the boundaries of the world map. Okay, even the satellite imaging that from outer space they feed you on the only they feed you information about the earth as programmed as to what you are allowed to see. Okay, so you might see some weird stuff that but that's with whatever we see that is some sort of strange, mysterious within the known lands of the global map, it's debatable. You know, humans are allowed to tinker with it. However, anything beyond the world map, anything beyond that is highly confidential. They don't want you to know, to see them, reach them, and they don't want you to go out of the world boundaries. Okay. Now, where can we find? Okay, where can we find the owners of the earth? The owners of the earth are found due northwards beyond the world map. Okay, so that's why when planes, ships travel beyond the boundaries of the world map, they are what? They are all arrested, they are eliminated, and they are captured immediately by the governments. And then you'll never see them again. Okay? So they are processed wherein if they go beyond the boundaries and they realize that they're beyond the bounds of the map, you know, governments in that area will arrest them. Okay? That's the reason. Okay. So the rulers of the planet are stationed due north beyond the boundaries of the world map. Okay. Now, I asked which areas are not in control of any of the gods and goddesses or the the owners, the dragon people. Okay, beyond the known world, northeast and southeast. Okay, those are the areas of the planet wherein it's still like uh, untapped or unconquered. Okay, there are no inhabitants there. Okay, so I'm not encouraging you guys to like search for it. I'm just giving you this information just so you know. Okay, just so you know. Okay, but due north is where the central control or the owners of the earth are. Okay, so that's where they are. Okay, so when I ask, is there any kind of safe country? There is no safe country, unfortunately. Ah, you know, I was frustrated myself when I asked this question, and when I got the answer, is there no hope for the human race? Okay, because as you and I know that the world is in the brink of war, and if you're looking for a safe country or safe zone, there none. I'm sorry. Even if you're rich, you're billionaires, trillionaires, there's no safe country. Every single country that has a flag is under the control of the owners of the earth. Okay, the dragon race. Okay. Okay, every single country is under the sphere of influence. So here am